Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to AI Daily Scope. Today we have a special episode as we delve into Google Cloud Next 2024's big reveal, the Vertex AI Agent Builder. This groundbreaking update is set to transform how we interact with AI across various sectors. Let's unpack the details and explore what this means for the world of technology. Google's introduction of the Model Garden within Vertex AI is a standout development. It serves as a centralized platform where developers can access over 130 advanced AI models. This includes high-profile models like Gemini Par from Anthropic, known for its robust predictive capabilities, and open-source favorites like Llama and Gemma, which are crucial for tasks ranging from language comprehension to pattern recognition. The inclusion of models categorized by functionality, such as language processing, vision tasks, and document handling, illustrates Google's commitment to creating a versatile and comprehensive AI toolkit. Diving deeper, the Gemini 1.5 Pro model boasts an impressive capability with its million-token context window. This feature allows for processing extensive datasets in a single query. For instance, researchers can analyze large-scale documents or datasets instantaneously, bypassing the traditional constraints of data processing. This has profound implications for sectors like academic research, legal analysis, and large-scale content management, where efficiency and accuracy are paramount. Turning our attention to practical applications, Google's keynote highlighted the transformative potential of AI-driven agents in customer service. These agents are designed to operate across various communication platforms, web interfaces, mobile apps, call centers, and more, providing a cohesive and responsive customer experience. For example, in the automotive industry, companies like Mercedes-Benz are leveraging this technology to integrate AI-driven features directly into their vehicles, enhancing the user experience with personalized services and interactive features that learn from the driver's habits and preferences. In the workplace, Google is enhancing productivity through AI by automating routine operations such as email sorting, meeting scheduling, and document management with AI agents capable of understanding and processing multi-language instructions. This global approach not only saves time, but also bridges language barriers within multinational companies, facilitating smoother international operations. For developers, Google showcased how AI could be used to streamline coding practices. Code-oriented AI models within the Model Garden can parse and manipulate extensive code bases, assisting developers in maintaining, upgrading, and scaling applications much more efficiently than traditional methods. This capability is a game-changer in software development, reducing the time spent on debugging and feature development, thereby accelerating the go-to-market for software solutions. Finally, Google's innovations extend into the realm of digital media creation with the introduction of an AI-powered video creation tool within the Google Workspace suite. This tool, designed to assist users in creating dynamic video content for presentations or marketing, integrates AI to suggest narrative outlines, manage media assets, and even auto-generate scripts, making professional-grade video production accessible to all users. Thank you for watching AI Daily Scope. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss out on the cutting-edge developments reshaping the tech landscape. Keep exploring, keep innovating, and let's harness the power of AI together.